Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. Today we will learn about structure of heart. Structure of heart is studied externally and internally. In this video, our main focus will be on external structure of heart. Now let's get started. Structure of heart is highly muscular triangle in nature. It is composed of cardiac muscles. Generally, the word cardiac is used for heart. So the muscles present in heart are called as cardiac muscles. In those cardiac muscles, intercalated discs are present. As we have heard that mammalian heart is of myogenic in nature, so it is richly filled with myoglobin. It is situated in the cardiac notch of left lung in the mediastinum. In humans, heart attains maturity at the age of 18 to 19 years. Heart weight in male is generally 280 to 340 gram and in female it is generally 230 to 280 gram. Pericardial fluid works against the mechanical shock as well as desiccation. Heart is present in a fluid-filled cavity. That fluid is called as pericardial fluid and its main function is to protect the heart from mechanical shock and as well as desiccation. Now mammalian heart. We have already studied that mammalian heart is completely four-chambered heart and mainly it is divided into two parts, pulmonary heart and systemic heart. Right side of human heart is considered as pulmonary heart because impure blood is present in right side and pump out towards lungs by pulmonary aorta. Left side of heart is known as systemic heart because pure blood is present in left side and pumped out to whole body by systemic aorta. Now the external structure of heart. External structure of heart consists of pericardium and heart wall. So first of all we will discuss about pericardium. The whole heart is located inside a cavity which is called as pericardial cavity. In that pericardial cavity, a fluid is present that is called pericardial fluid. And the walls and lining of pericardial cavity is made up of membrane which is called pericardium. And pericardium consists of two layers, that is parietal layer and visceral layer. The parietal layer is present outside the heart and the visceral layer is generally present inside the heart. Parietal layer is formed a sac around the outer region of the heart that contains the fluid in pericardial cavity. And visceral layer is directly covers the outside of the heart. Main function of pericardium fluid is to protect the heart from external shocks, infections and desiccation. It also helps in expanding the heart and it also prohibits the overexpansion of heart. Now the structure of heart wall. The structure of heart wall generally consists of three layers: epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. Epicardium is the outermost, myocardium is the middle one and the endocardium is the innermost. Now we will discuss one by one. Epicardium is the outermost layer of the heart. It is composed of a thin layered membrane that serves to lubricate and protect the outer section. Its main function is lubrication and the protection of the outer heart. Myocardium, it is a layer of muscle tissue. As the name suggests, myo, we have already learned this. Myo stands for muscles. So this is a layer of muscle tissue and it constitutes the middle layer wall of the heart. It contributes to the thickness and responsible for the pumping action. The main function of heart is to pump out the blood. So in pumping action, the myocardium will be helpful for this. Now the last one is endocardium. It is the innermost layer that lines the inner heart chambers and covers the heart walls. As we have already discussed that the heart is divided into chambers, and in between those chambers walls are present. So endocardium protects those chambers and heart walls. It prevents the blood from sticking to the inner walls, thereby preventing potential fatal blood clots. Now we will discuss the diagram of the heart. As you can see, there is presence of right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. We have already discussed that the right side of human heart is considered as pulmonary heart because impure blood is present in right side. So the color of this heart structure is blue in the right part. You have seen this, that right atrium is shown as in the blue color and the right ventricle is also shown in the blue color. Blue color stands for the impure blood. But in case of left atrium and left ventricle, the color is used as red because we have learned that the left side of the heart is known as systemic heart because pure blood is present in left side. So it is shown in red color. In this structure, in this diagram, you have seen two colors, red color and blue color. Blue color is generally present in right side and red color is generally present on left side. The red color stands for the pure blood and the blue color stands for the impure blood. Beyond the right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, arteries and veins are present, which will be discussed in internal structure of heart in the next video. Till then, thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.